Once we fill all these, if he gets all that red point, then he wins. You know what I'm saying? But if I win, then I dab. You know what I'm saying? Okay, should I get Fireball, Blizzard, Implode, Huge, more HP, Tank, even more HP, Lifesteal,
Huge.
or Frost Slam?
I'm not on your team, but huge.
Ian, all I'm saying is it looks real bad for you right now.
So just what do I get? Nico, what do I get?
Oh, no, implode. You pull him into the lightning
Ooh, I like
storm.
Implode.
I don't want to pull him in because he's a thick boy.
The lightning storm, Ian.
No, I don't like it. Let's do Blizzard. Let's do Blizzard. This is another custom card that was made. This is Blizzard. So whenever I block, I send out, Blizzard.
Oh.
I love Blizzard games.
What if I sit down here?